Well, I've been a Sunday driver now for many's a happy year, and I've never had my Morris Minor out to second gear. I can drive at 15 miles an hour on motorway or track, with me wife up front beside me and her mother in the back. There was me and my daddy's mammy and her sister's granny and 4 of her chums and Auntie Jean. In a crowd of 50 trippers you can always pick me out, but don't blame me, I voted Tory, sticker on the boot, with my bunch of heather sticking in my radiator grill, and my stick-on transfer bullet holes and license for to kill. There was me and my daddy's mammy and her sister's granny and 4 of her chums and Auntie Peg. I've 100 plastic pennants for to tell you where I've been, and my steering wheel is clad in simulated leopard skin. Up front for the driving mirror hangs a plastic skeleton, and in the back a dog with eyes that flicker off and on. There's me and my daddy's mammy and her sister's granny and 4 of her chums and Auntie May. Always drive as though my foot was resting on the brake, and I weave about the road just so's you can't overtake. I can get you safe frustrated that you'll finish up in tears, and the sound of blaring motor horns is music to my ears. There's me and my daddy's mammy and her sister's granny and 4 of her chums and Auntie Liz. Who's Liz? She comes next. Now if you wonder how these weekly trips I can afford, it's because I'm on a stipend from the Scottish Tourist Board. You're supposed to enjoy the scenery, the finest of its kind, and that is why I have a convoy following behind. There's me and my daddy's mammy and her sister's granny and 4 of her chums and Auntie Rose. There's just no way of escaping me, no matter how you seek, for the simple fact that I'm a traffic warden through the week. I'm boosting my efficiency, and here's my master plan. I'm saving up my pennies for to buy a caravan. There's me and my daddy's mammy and her sister's granny and 4 of her chums and Auntie Gertrude. There's me and my daddy's mammy and her sister's granny and 4 of her chums. You're gone too far!